of Family Feud. Today on Family Feud, all the way from the west coast of Africa, Nigeria, we have the Okoro Juju. West coast of America, LA, we have the Johnsons. All right. So, first question on today's Family Feud. What does quality time mean to you? We'll start with the women. Miss Okoro Juju, what does quality time mean to you?
Well, quality time to me is when my husband is, helping me around house. Like when I'm cooking before soup. And he's there helping me to pounding the yam for the yam. Yes, I always ask, helping me.
Okay, that's not quite what the survey says. Let's try Miss Johnson. What does quality time mean to you?
You know, a nice walk on the beach, quality time, just the two of us, a romantic candlelit dinner, that would be great.
Okay, well, let's try the men. Men, what does quality time mean to you? Let's say, Mr. Johnson, we'll start with you this time.
First of all, some sports, some video games, perfectly Madden, and most importantly, some boom boom time with my lady.
Exactly why his Xbox has gone missing for the 17th time this year.
Well, that's not quite the answer. How about Mr. Okoro Juju? What does quality time mean to you?
When I come back from work at night, my jam is ready with my Nimka and
I thought this would be a seemingly simple question, but clearly they're speaking Greek and French. So, join us with Synergy on Saturday, June 15th at 6:30 p.m. for a talk show and an interactive game show with Pastor Koye and Joyce Sanni. Child care will be provided and full dinner will be served. After service, you can see someone outside in the lobby in front of the Synergy banner for tickets. Join us.